Okay, let's continue with the second part of grammar. In this case we have a review of conditional forms. But let's state first what are conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are statements discussing known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. There are 4 different types of conditional sentences in English. Each expresses a different degree of probability that a situation will occur or would have occurred under certain circumstances. Okay, here we have a short explanation about how each of them work. The 0 conditional sentences express general truths. First conditional sentences are used to express situations that are going to happen in the future. The second conditional sentences are useful to express unreal situations. And the third conditional sentences are used to explain that present circumstances would be different if something different had happened in the past. Okay, here we have an explanation to see much more clear how do they work in context. Okay, so type of conditional is first, then we have the form and the function and examples. The third conditional first we have is if plus past perfect, would, wouldn't, plus have, plus past participle. But when do we use this clause? We use it to talk about unreal situations in the past. For example, if I had taken a year off, I would have traveled around the world. Then we have the second conditional, which is if plus simple past, would or wouldn't, plus the base form. We use this tense to talk about things the speaker feels are unreal or unlikely in the present or future. Example, if I were you, I would go for it. Then the first conditional, which is if plus simple present, will or won't, plus the base form. And we use this to talk about things that the speaker thinks are likely or possible in the future. For example, if I travel for a year, I would want to go to college when I come back. Then we have the 0 conditional, which says if plus simple present, and it is used to talk about things that are generally true. If people take a year off, they are more mature when they start school.